All right, guys, so we're going to talk about payouts on prop firms with funding ticks. I'm going to show you how to go through the process and how it works exactly to get a payout. I'm eligible to get a payout, so I'll show you that for those that are using funding ticks. Again, use code JustHitSell. Don't pay full price, for God's sakes. Let me go into my account. So here we go, right here. Let's go. Boom. This is what you want to see right here. Past, 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 past. Everything has to say past before you can request a payout. Once you see everything past, very simple, you will go to, see how it says leaderboard, rewards, all of this. You will go to rewards. Okay, and then once you're here, you will click request reward. Now I will show you how everything works here. So now I only have one account. As you can see, boom, I'm not copy trading anything. Click there. And this is the thing I like about funding ticks. You get paid in crypto. You guys know how much I like crypto, or Rise, which is a digital wallet which you can sign up for. I'm not going to go through there, too much personal information, but you can just sign up there. How much? And you'll see this. Available. I can take out all of this. So for example, I'm going to cash out. If I cash out, let's just cash out. Let's just say 14,000, right? The minimum amount is 500, 14,000. VAT number, value added tax. I think that's for Europeans, I think. People not Americans, I believe, if memory serves. And if you notice, my total profit so far is $14,847.30. Ineligible profit, 0, meaning I could take out as much as I want. Reward is 90%, so it's 90-10. You keep 90, they keep 10. I don't mind because I paid $333 for this. I believe that's how much I paid. I don't remember. I know it was less than $400 I paid for this account. So if you look at it, this is over a 14,000% return on investment. This is the thing I want you to understand. I wasn't doing props. I was against it. Not against it. I didn't know much about it until my students kept asking my assistant to teach her about it. And I'm like, she was. And then they kept asking me, and I'm like, I don't know. So I said, what's going to kill me? Let me just go and try it. It's not that hard. And it wasn't that hard. I tested a few. Funding ticks. JustHitSell. Use the code JustHitSell. Take the discount. So reward, I keep 90%. Available, boom. I requested 14,000. The remaining balance in my account will be $847. Your share, so I get to cash out $12,600. And they get to keep, honestly, I don't mind. Platform's great, stats are great. And again, you have to keep in mind, I just paid $333, roughly speaking. Off the top of my head, I think that's how much I paid for this account. And I will receive this much money. That's it. And then you click all this and you request reward. I'm not going to do all this because I don't know if more personal information will show up. So we're not going to do any of that on camera. I'll do it off camera. But I just wanted to show you. Getting a payout, I know statistically it says it's hard, but just follow your rules. Just hit sell when you need to hit sell. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Nothing more, nothing less when it comes to this. And you'll get an email about putting the Rise information in there. So yeah, you think I had a good month? Not really a good month. It's 2 weeks. This is just 2 weeks and a day or two of trading. If I could do it, you can do it. I wrote 3 books on the subject. Go read the books. Link down below for everything that you need to sign up. Get your payout. Lock it in. You don't need much money with futures trading.